Stage presentation. Stage presentation. I need 2 volunteers. We need to move quickly. Yes. Yes. Laura, nice to meet you. What's your name? Tanya. Everybody put your hands together for Laura and Tanya. That wasn't great. We're going to get a better applause after this. Laura and Tanya in the house. Laura and Tanya in the house. Wave your hands in the air like you just don't care. Say whoa. 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 Now give them a proper round of applause. Fantastic. Stage presentation one-on-one. Again, I'm going to fly through this, guys, because they're going to be winding me up pretty shortly. Number 1 point with stage presentation, if you're performing up on stage, is sway to the beat of the song. Groove to the beat of the song. Just do this. Don't stand still like this ever. I don't care how slow the song is. Just groove to the song. Yes. Let's do some grooving, guys. Everybody stand up for us. Let's go to Adele. Okay, we're going to just groove.
There's a fire starting in my heart.
It's going to get easier once the beat comes in. That's the beat. See what's grooving? Okay, no clapping now. Do it to the drums. That's the beat. We can go double time. If you want to go double time, you can do that as well too. So, that was great. Now, guys, snare drum. That's a heartbeat, yeah? Everyone know what the snare drum is? Okay? So that's the one we want to be swaying to. So I don't care what you call it, dancing, grooving, swaying, you got to do that even if it's just small. But the most important point with this is it's going to keep you in time. It's super important to keep you in time. Everyone knows 4 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're generally coming in, okay, on 1. So make sure that we're always just doing that. You can do more, you can do less, okay, but that's the number 1 thing you want to do, okay. Hand movements, okay. If you're good at this and you're feeling confident, do some hand movements, generally to a word as well too. So there's a fire burning in my heart, please. So doing some just general things like this, hand, you, eyes, stars, but generally just like this, if not even tapping from side to side as well too. So that's the next thing that we can do as well. So we can just put some hand movements in, yeah. And if you've got a mic, you can do more. You see the back singers do this, so you can do big things. But definitely move to what feels natural as well. If you're not feeling natural doing it, don't do it. Who knows Peter Garrett from Midnight Oil used to be a politician. Great, so when he used to go up on stage, he was like, that's what he naturally did. That's what he felt like he naturally wanted to do. But do what you feel is natural. So we're going to do both of that again. We'll put a couple of hand movements. So just make them up, okay? So we'll just make some hand movements up.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, is bringing me at the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and stab me out and I'll lay your ship, baby. See?
Fantastic. Michael Jackson with a hat. Woo! Good work. All right, so again, this is just for you guys to practice at home. Main thing, just groove to the beat of the song. Even if you're in the car, tap into it, so you're just getting into the groove of it. After that, yep.
Question about that. Just when I get into that and my head's moving, and you talk about microphone technique, I'm going to be moving away from.
No, you're not. Pretend that it's stuck with like a hook. You've got to do this all the time. This doesn't move away from where you are. There's a fire, but I wasn't going to swear then. Burning in my heart. Okay, so it doesn't matter what I'm doing. Yeah. It's still there. It's stuck there. This is stuck there all the time. Question? No question?
If it's on the stairs, you mean the same?
Same. It's a hook. Pretend there's a fish hook from the bottom of your lip to the mic. Keep it there. Just really, really gently. Don't move away from it. You're going to sound the best there. No other questions regarding mic technique? No, excellent. Last one. So again, this is the most important one. You can stand there and look good doing that. A couple of hand movements to accompany what they're doing with key words in the song as well too. And then taking up some stage space as well too. So that's an important one as well too. So we'll just take it back here. And we're going to try to take up some stage space here. Look at the colour. These lights. That's a beautiful, beautiful colour. Have you got nice fingernails as well too? Oh, God. Jeepers. You can cut back glass with that, you know. All right, let's go. We're going to do some movements, and we're just going to mess around.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, just bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and stab me out, and I'll lay your shit bare.
All right.
See,
My backing singers weren't using much stage space, but that was very, very good. You get the drift, guys. Do what you feel comfortable with. I went to see Adele a couple of years ago. She just pretty much slightly walked around, did a couple of hand movements, mainly stayed still. But fantastic show. No one can deny it's not a great show. I seen Mick Jagger playing Coachella, and he's still moving and grooving and doing his thing as well too. So do what you feel is natural. But the main thing is just be to the song. Number one thing.